So we really want to make sure that your hub converts. What is your hub? Your hub is your website, right? Or your home base, really. So everyone's going to land on your website, regardless if they saw an ad, if they hear, from you from a friend, or they're just walking by possibly your storefront. Your potential clients are going to go to your website to get a sense of who you are, what you're about, and if they want to do business with you. So we want to make sure that not only does your website look nice, but it's built to convert. So when I say built to convert, what does that mean? There's an example here on the slide of a few things that we look for. Is there an easy way for them to contact you, or an easy way to book right off the bat, usually in the upper right-hand corner? Is there a phone number?
I know the spa.
You know Radiant?
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah, they're in Naperville.
Yes, I know exactly where they are. Okay.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, it's good to have some.
And I did look at their website, and I was like, wow, they kind of like, I like how they're showing their stuff. This is already building like the trust between the client. You can see talking to them.
Yeah, exactly. And that's really what we're trying to do. The trust factor is huge. So obviously someone has to trust you, but when they get to your site, they also have to be able to do what they want to do. And, we help people with this, but we got to make sure the messaging is important. So you need to know exactly who you are and what you do right when you see that. A lot of people put all these flashy images and it's all cluttered. It needs to be really clean, uncluttered. Sometimes putting the company mission statement in, but also it's as simple as like having your phone number right there is super important as well too. We're going to break down a little bit of this more, but I just wanted to give you just a few examples of meaning how can you make your site convert. So this is a pretty long list of things to do, and in the marketing checklist that I'm going to give you guys, I'm also going to include a lot of this. So you don't have to memorize it now, but things like, is your customer speaking directly to the target avatar, right? That persona that we've already developed. Does it have authentic images? This is something Alexandra talked about. Imagery is a really big thing. We find in your guys' industry, in the med spa industry, stock photos everywhere because people just don't have the right images, right? So getting authentic images, if that means getting a photo shoot from the local real estate agent or maybe even a student that's in photography, really makes a big difference. Do you guys have any type of videos, right? There should be some type of welcome video or a video for some services. We do find when we run ads, the video of showing your service gets more clicks and more conversions than anything. Now you have to be a little careful with that because you can't show what's called sensational content on some things, on some channels, but it is really important. Online reviews is another thing. You should have your online reviews on your homepage. If you're not actively getting reviews now, you want to make sure you're getting those not only for search engine optimization, but display those. Those are the trust factors that everyone's looking for, right? Sometimes they'll go to Yelp, sometimes they won't. Sometimes the user will go to Google, sometimes they won't. They need to be on your homepage so they can say, okay, a bunch of reviews, I trust them, I'm gonna move forward with that. And then there's the basics, right? Phone number in the upper right-hand corner. Make sure there's a web form for them to fill out. Make sure you guys have any credibility or authority symbols, any certifications you guys have, any awards you won, any publications you've been in. Put that on the homepage. People need to see that stuff. Something we're gonna hit on a few times too is chat. If you guys don't have live chat on your site, that's probably one of the biggest trends we're seeing now. It's very easy to do. It's free. There's a company out there called Tidio, Tidio.com. If you have a WordPress site, you literally just load it up. That goes just to someone's phone. When someone chats to you, it goes right to your phone. You can just talk to them like you're on the phone. That's another huge one that we're seeing are really increasing conversion rates.